So for many pictures that you take, sometimes you can get the picture and then you might want to go back and do some manipulation afterwards. And there's many of you out there who don't want to do that, but it's very necessary sometimes, especially if you want to make those photos pop out more. And I took a picture here a couple of weeks ago in the UK at Silverstone racetrack, and I was using the Mini 3. And this is a photo that I had edited and I was finished with it, and then I was looking at it afterwards and I still wasn't happy with it. So I was just thinking that how can I make this picture look better, make it pop a bit more. And I don't want to do anything with the color, I don't want to do anything with this, with the saturation or the sharpness, but it's the cropping. I need to crop it better in order to make it pop out, because it's annoying me. It's really annoying me. So I'm using Lightroom here, so I'll just show you what the picture looked like originally. So this is the original picture that I took, which is fine, because when you're taking photos of something like this, you can't plan it. So you see the cars coming and you line the shot up and then you take it, hopefully that you've got the right shutter speed and whatnot. So I got the shot knowing that I could go in and crop it afterwards. So this is how it was, and this is how I was happy with it at that point. But then afterwards, so I'm going to go into the cropping tool here and I'll go into the custom mode, and this is where I want to change it here. So this is where I want to go in and just make it that little bit better, just make it pop more in terms of the size and the picture itself. And this is what I've got. Here now we have the shape now, because we have the curve of the road here, we have the curve of the road here, we have the green, we have the road, and then we have the sand, and everything's lined up to the edge. So I'm happy with this now. This is now how it is, and it just makes it so much better than it originally was, I think. And that's why it's important to crop your pictures. So I hope this was helpful. If you don't crop, maybe you want to crop now, go back and look at your pictures. And this is why, again, you should shoot raw, so you can go in and you can take the original. So this is a raw, this is a raw file. So hope it was helpful. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. And as always, fly safe.